Hi, today I'm talking with Dr. Thom from Naturalnet. Our topic today is cancer prevention. Cancer really is everywhere today, and it seems to affect everyone on some level and every family on some level. Is it true, Dr. Thom, that you could actually prevent yourself from getting cancer?
It's a really important topic because it is true, because statistically, unfortunately, now the way the number of cancer incidences are, is every 1 in 2 men and 1 in 3 women in their lifetime, unfortunately, will be afflicted by cancer. So we definitely have to do something about preventing it. And what is very important and to understand is we actually have great preventive therapies. And it's unfortunate that we don't hear more about them. There are 3 areas that have been well researched, well talked about, that will prevent over half of the cancers from ever developing. Wow. But unfortunately, you don't see them advertised on television. So the 3 things that anybody can do for themselves, and the earlier you start and the more you do it on a day-to-day basis, the greater the likelihood that you will significantly reduce your risk. If not prevent cancer, reduce your risk significantly of ever developing cancer. The 3 things are to never smoke, and ideally to never even be around smokers. Okay. That has been historically, and people always associate smoking mostly with lung cancer, but in fact smoking is associated with most cancers because of the fact that the impact that it has physiologically on the body. The second thing that we know will significantly reduce your risk of cancer is to eat a variety, and a wide variety, mostly eating what we call the colors of the rainbow, where you eat 9 different colors of fruits and vegetables on a regular basis. The different colors mean there's different antioxidants, there's different nutrients in those different fruits and vegetables. That significantly will reduce the potential of cancer cells growing and developing. And the third thing that is well recognized, it's well researched to prevent and reduce the risk of cancer, is movement. You know, we feel, oh, it's exercise. People don't often like the word exercise, so I just prefer to do the word movement. And it's been well researched that 5 hours a week of movement, the 9 different colors of the rainbow, fruits and vegetables, and not smoking and not being around smoke will reduce by at least 60% the risk of ever getting cancer. So yes, we have great therapies every day. They're called lifestyle type things that, of course, we should be sharing with our children and feeding our children, because they're the ones in the future that most likely, and the reason that most cancers don't show up until after age 50 is because the body has done everything it possibly can to try and keep that in balance. But we now understand that cancer is a long-term process, very often starting 20 to 30 years, if not longer, before the cancer actually manifests itself. So there are things that can be done. It's never too late to start. You haven't been diagnosed, those 3 things that I just said should ideally start immediately, and we can do a whole bunch about making that happen.
Great. Well, that's great to know. Thanks, Dr. Thom.
You're welcome.